Hi, I'm Rick, and in this video, I'll be discussing with you Orbit Analytics and its operational reporting capabilities and inbuilt Discoverer migration utility. Did you know Orbit stands for Operational Reporting and BI Technology? To go end-to-end with the Discoverer migration process, let's first import a Discoverer report and then learn how we can consume and build operational reports within Orbit. First, let's log into Orbit. Now, let's import the Discoverer EEX file that was generated when you exported Discoverer worksheets or workbooks. Simply choosing and uploading this file is all that is required to migrate the report. Orbit handles the rest. As you can see, this report conversion is already complete. With this import process finished, over in the Reports section, you can now see our Discoverer report exists alongside any other content that you have access to. Orbit ships with over 900 pre-built reports for all Oracle modules. That's what all these additional reports are. Right-clicking our converted report and choosing Open allows us to consume this report exactly as we're used to seeing it in Discoverer. See how our date parameters came over? Now, while this process allows us to convert and consume our familiar reports as is, Orbit also allows us to easily unlock new capabilities and have some more fun with them. Enabling Pivot allows me to construct an on-the-fly analysis based on this operational report. Say my manager asks me to provide a list of suppliers and the total amount paid to each one. Well, with Orbit that's easy. Simply dragging and dropping the relevant fields produces my analysis right away from this operational report. It even lets me visualize that information right here if I so choose. Now you're probably wondering, that's fine, but how do I create new operational reports in Orbit? Well, that's easy too. Creating a new report consists of choosing a business object, let's say accounts payables, as I'm doing here, and then dragging over any columns that I want into my report. Here, I'm using the built-in search capabilities and adding relevant columns to this report, perhaps supplier, a few amount values, dates, whatever I need. Adding and configuring filters is easy too. Here you can see I just drag and drop my date column into the parameters section, and a date parameter is automatically created and ready to use. No further configuration is required. Just that easily, we've built a brand new report in less than a minute. From here, I can analyze the output, as you saw earlier, share it, export it, schedule it, leverage templates, delivery options, and much, much more. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. For more information, please feel free to drop us a line at sales@orbitanalytics.com or visit us on the web at www.orbitanalytics.com.